Got the hail starting to come down. Looks to be about a 1/4 inch.
Go out there and see.
You go out there and see.
Look at some of that's huge. Yeah, that hurts.
Some of it's happened. Holy cow.
I know.
Some of
Golf balls.
that's golf ball size, you're right.
Look at those over there. Do you see them? How big they are?
Wow.
I've never seen that before.
Doesn't sound very good on our house. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Holy crap. I've never seen hail that big. I would hate to be standing out there right now.
This is the craziest storm I've ever seen in my life.
I've never seen anything like this. Our poor windows. It still comes down.
You think anybody's outside right now?
I hope nobody's outside running right now. They get stuck out in the rain.
Well, this is, I mean, like the other day when Cody and my dad were fishing, and that storm came up on them. I mean, unless you're in the base or you're listening to the radio, you don't know this is coming. It just kind of shows up. The lights have not went off yet. I'm really surprised, actually.
They flickered a couple times. Watch what you say.
I'm really surprised. I mean, you'd think that the hail would have knocked down some lines or something.
It knocked down our thermometer. That hail's still coming down. There it goes. Thermometer's gone. It's right down there.
My rose plant got beat up. Hey, Cece, wanna go outside? Go check it out.
Some of those are almost baseball size.
Should stick some in the freezer. Save them.
Wow. Well, how many dents do you think our cars have?
It's over now, I think. It's just rain.